Yes, welcome back again. Thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. The first one that I did, the response was amazing. I'm so happy and pumped up with it. Today I'm bringing you a brand new video. Let's go. So today we're going to be making the famous Vapiano Gambaretti spinach, but instead of the king prawn, we're going to replace that with salmon. Same procedure, but just with salmon, and it tastes amazing. Let's go. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, we're going to be making my version of Vapiano's famous salmon. So today we got a piece of salmon, nice, and we're going to clean them up during preparation. 1 habanero pepper, couple cherry tomatoes, 1 mushroom, half an onion, couple tablespoons of oil, some grated cheddar cheese, some Fusili pasta, got some double cream, some organic basil, some spinach washed up, cleaned, and then finally for my spices we have half a teaspoon of garlic, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of white pepper. Okay, let's go. Okay, so to prep our ingredients then, we've got our salmon here. We're just gonna take the skin off. Now that we've got our salmon out of the way, we're just gonna do our onion, just dice them thinly into small cubes. And then our mushroom, same, we're gonna chop them finely, tiny chops. We want these to sort of disappear into the sauce. I'm just gonna do it fine chop, just for extra flavor. I don't really recall or seen them doing this at Vapiano, but it's just my own twist to it. But I realize mushroom adds a lot of flavor too, so we're gonna do that. Nicely chopped up. Don't worry about putting them together in the same plate. At the end of the day, they're all going to end up in the same bowl. It's one family. And then for the ultimate, just take the green bits off. Give my nice little squiggle, and then chop them thinly. Beautiful. Like so. We're going to leave our tomato for last. Add the remaining of the pasta to it. I'm just going to leave that to boil up. Halfway through the bowl we can start the other part of it. So now we're going to add our onions. And then our mushroom too, because we want that to be infused in the sauce all the way through. For that, we're going to add our salmon in there. Let that cook for a bit. Our pasta is done. Gonna split our salmon into little pieces now, and then add all our spices at the same time. Don't leave nothing behind.
then we add our chili to it. I like some chili in my pasta, so put the amount that you want in yours. And we'll let that cook for a bit. And we'll slice up these tomatoes. Don't try this if you're not really confident at doing this. Just use a chopping board. Just I'm used to doing the old school way sometimes. If you're going to attempt it, do it, but be very careful. Alright. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of pesto. And then we're going to get our cream in. Just going to use only half of it. I'm not really familiar with this type of cream. There's usually another brand that I buy, but they didn't have them today, so I'm just going to try something new. Just a little bit of cream, not too much. That I'm going to add my cheddar cheese. And let that work its magic. And then I'm going to add my pasta. Just going to maybe just add a little bit by little just to make sure I don't have a mixture of 50-50 between the pasta and the cream. I think this is about right for me. If you want more cream, of course, feel free to add it. To that, I'm going to add my tomato. And to finish off, just add some spinach. Not all of it, I'm just going to use only a handful. I think that should be enough for me. And then just fold. So there you have it. So there you have it. My very own version of the famous Vapiano salmon gamberetti. Just exactly how I had it. So that's it for another video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to it. If you're already subscribed, stay tuned for the next video. Peace.